Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Friday, the 21st of May 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 pretty much ended the day unchanged, closing up just 11 points to 7,030 points. For the full week, the index was flat and it's trading a couple of percent below its record high of Monday of last week. Among the large caps, CSL and Woolworths both rose around 2%, while Coles and Goodman Group were 1.6% higher. The three big miners, Fortescue Metals, Rio Tinto and BHP, were among the worst performers. It's been quite a week for EML Payments. Its share price tumbled 46% on Wednesday after the Central Bank of Ireland said it was concerned about governance at EML's Irish subsidiary. But since then, it's rebounded somewhat and was up another 15% today, the best of the top 200. Another much-maligned stock, A2 Milk Company, jumped more than 5% today. It's a pretty good day for the travel groups. Webjet was up 5.6% and Corporate Travel Management finished 4.3% higher. Cloud accounting software group Xero continued its strong run of recent sessions, up 4%. On the other side of the coin, one of last year's market darlings, Kogan.com, today cut its earnings outlook as a result of supply chain issues, miscalculation of inventory, and higher warehousing costs. Kogan shares tumbled 14%. Over the second half of 2020, the retailer of everything from electronics to sporting wear and pet products almost doubled in size and been opening new logistic facilities, but growth in demand has moderated and investors aren't impressed. Freedom Foods went into a trading halt today as it looked to raise $265 million. The maker of UHT milk and plant-based drinks hit the bourse again in March after being suspended for 9 months, and its share price fell 82% to 53 cents a share. Since then, it's traded lower and was suspended today at 43 cents a share. The raising was part of the recapitalisation plan put forward when it relisted. In the world of economics, retail turnover jumped 1.1% during April and was 25% higher than a year earlier, back in the depths of the COVID-induced recession when most stores were closed. Total sales in April was more than $31 billion, with food retailing leading the increase. All sectors rose except for department stores, and turnover was 11% above pre-pandemic levels. Among the states, New South Wales and Victoria led the way, which is good from a national growth perspective. The data from the Australian Bureau of Statistics was another indicator that the end of JobKeeper didn't significantly hurt the economy. The Aussie dollar jumped on the retail trade figures and is currently trading around 77.5 US cents. There was an interesting IPO on Wall Street this morning. Shares in Swedish oat milk maker Oatly Group jumped 30% on their market debut. The company has been backed by talk show queen Oprah Winfrey, rapper Jay-Z, and former Starbucks head Howard Schultz. It produces vegan milk, which seems a contradiction in terms to me. It's valued at $13 billion US. Good luck to them. By the end of trading this morning, the S&P 500 was up more than 1%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was 0.6% higher, and the Nasdaq had risen 1.8%, retracing the losses of the past couple of weeks. That's it for the afternoon market report for Friday, the 21st of May 2021. Join me tomorrow morning for the weekend edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.